Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about things to understand so that you can be as strong and robust as possible. And I want to talk not about dental hygiene. That's for your dentist to talk about what you need to do to keep your teeth healthy so they last you your whole life. I want to talk about spinal hygiene because the way our bodies were designed, our spine should actually last us our whole life with no deterioration, no breakdown, no arthritis, none of those things that they're calling normal aging. It's not normal aging, it's breakdown. Just like if you don't brush your teeth are going to break down. If you don't take care of your spine is going to break down. But there's some really important things you can do to take care of your spine. And I want you to also understand that just like a cavity is something that you don't necessarily feel, and by the time you do feel it, it's too late. You've already got pain there. You're already in trouble. The same thing is true about your spine, that you may have degenerative changes happening in the spine that are caused by a loss of proper alignment of the spine. And if that's happening, you may not have pain, but it may be leading to outcomes that are going to be a trouble for you in the future. The reason why it's so important to have good spinal hygiene is because the brain is in charge of running everything, and it has to send the messages down through the spinal cord, out through the nerves to go to every cell in your body. The spinal column is what's protecting the spinal cord. So if you don't take care of your spinal column, then you're going to start to impact your nerves. And if you impact your nerves, it's going to start to impact your health. So if you have any concerns about, I wonder if I have a neck problem or a back problem, I want you to take the next step in your thought process and start to ask yourself, if I have a neck problem or a back problem, does that mean I might have a health problem? So really start to think about, what do I need to do to take the best care of my spine so it lasts me my whole life? And that means good spinal hygiene. I hope you found this useful. Please share it with friends and family, and I'll share more with you again very soon.